This is the Motorola APX8000 Extreme. This is the new radio that we're switching over to. Before we get started, completely waterproof mic. It does have an emergency button at the top, and it has both a movable clip as well as something that you could hang stuff on. It does screw here into the side, and if you remove this, there is a cover plate to keep those connections in place. The battery is down here at the bottom. There's two little depressions on each side. Push them in and pull. There's your battery. To reinsert, put it in place, push it firm until you hear the click. Push to talk, push to talk. The knobs up here at the bottom, at the top, on, off, and volume, bands A, B, and C, and your channel selector, emergency button. None of that has changed. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It'll show you the APX, and this is Dolphin Chief 481A. The same screen is also here on the front plate. These buttons are still all the same. Change the channel selector, and it will change as well. To know if you're scanning this particular, the radio scans all the time as long as the Z button, the Z icon here, is showing up. If you don't want that channel to scan, you can press the Z has been removed. Press it again, the scan is on, and the Z is back on. Select any of the channels that you want to be scanning. The more channels that are in your scan bank is the possibility that you're going to miss a transmission. You can select zones. There are more than 3 zones in this radio. There's Fire Ops zone with the keypad, Dauphin County A, B, Special Fire Police, Lancaster Special, South Central Task Force, Pennsylvania frequencies, the interop frequencies, and that is done. Back on Dauphin County Fire, Zone A. You can also select Zone B and Zone C from the top. The other part that we'll have is the charger, a single charger unit, or there is going to be a bank charger for all of the equipment in the apparatus. Plug that in. You do have a couple of USB ports on the side, and this is for putting other things in there, other accessories. Take the battery, match up the copper tabs to the copper in the back, drop that in. You should get a light that does tell you, so that tells you, the red light tells you that it's charging. Green light means that it's done. Flashing red, error, and you might get a yellow, which is too hot or too cold in order to do that. The very first time you use the radio battery, it should be left in the charger for 8 hours in order to get the proper charge. After that, then you can follow the lights for anything else. Please contact Chief Sonderman if you have any questions about the new radios.